Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix messenger message sent but not delivered. A messenger message that shows as sent, so hollow circles with blue check, but not delivered, so filled blue circle with white check, means the message has reached Facebook servers but has not been received by the recipient's device. This is generally caused by recipient being offline, having a poor internet connection, or having app level notification issues. Top ways to fix this problem is going to be first checking your own internet connectivity. So try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data on your settings. If that doesn't work, try to restart the Messenger application. Also, try to check if the Messenger application has any updates available. And finally, if you're on an iOS, you can also simply go ahead and open your settings and then head straight into general settings down here. Then you want to simply go ahead and scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone and click on reset and reset network settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.